Hey guys, welcome back to Beer Reviews with the Beer Sarge. We're going to crack on to a different beer today. A Sawmill. Ooh, that light's a bit shit. Sawmill fresh hop. Look at that. So, Sawmill Brewery down in Warkworth. This is fresh hop Riwaka hazy IPA. Riwaka hops. Nelson hops, might even be a place down there called Riwaka. But anyway, it's Riwaka hops are just the smell of Riwaka hops is bloody incredible. It says on the front here, nothing better than a fresh hopped IPA, big punchy grapefruit, passion fruit, and tropical aroma from freshly harvested Riwaka hops. This is a 6% beer made at Matakana, which is Warkworth, and it's an independent. They're a bloody good brewery. They bring out some really nice stuff. So let's have a crack at this one. Fresh hop Riwaka hazy IPA. Looking forward to this. When I was home brewing, if you could get Riwaka hops, or you were made using the old McLeod's glass, because they're the bomb at the moment. And speaking of bombs, here comes Bomber. Hey dog, what are you doing? Oh, and look at that, we get that all in. So that's a 440 can at 6% ABV. All right, let's have a smell. Oh. So it's got that tropical smell. And this is not a slight. It might be just my nose, but and a lot of people don't like this. But that smell of in the summer when they're laying down fresh tar, that fresh tar smell. Fuck, I love that. I fucking do. Probably a sniffer from way back, but I get hints of that, like hints of fresh tar, which is, and that's not a detrimental. Like that smells bloody good to me, but it's also I get hibiscus flowers and yeah, just all sorts of sweet sort of tropically stuff. And I get that. I used to get that off the hop pellets that I used to get for home brewing. Wow, this is a rival for Mr. Miyagi. It's not heavy on carbonation. As you can see, the head's just died right away, and there's a slight amount of carbonation there. But yeah, this is pretty much, Christ, this is like an orange juice. Oh, that's fucking lovely. So this was $8.99, so quite dear, but then it's fresh hop. So the story with the fresh hop is you want to get in and get it before, although this has got a best before the 6th of April 2021, so this is quite that's quite unusual for a fresh hop. A fresh hop, I would have thought you should be smashing that within 3-4 months maybe, but they seem to have done it, because I would assume that this would be, you'd put a 12-month maybe if you were brewing 12 months, so that means the 6th of April maybe, I don't know, but there you go. That's a fresh hop Riwaka hazy IPA from Sawmill down in Matakana. They've got this massive like beer garden thing there where you can try all their beers on tap, and they got pizza and all sorts of food and shit around there. So if you're crawling through heading down to Auckland, take a detour out to Matakana and and have a go out there at the Sawmill bloody brewery. By jingos, that's fucking good. So, another good beer. Alright, stay safe, wash your hands, visit your mum. Oh, that's right, we don't have to do that anymore, do we? You can just do whatever you like. Okay, like and subscribe if you feel inclined, and have a good one.